class, and my topic is: Are GMOs good or bad? First, I'm going to introduce the background of GM crops. Nowadays, there are 80 million farmers in 28 countries are growing GM crops, and about 448 million acres are growing GM crops. The area is about 12% of the world farmland, and this area is about equal to the whole U.S. growing cropland. Next, I'm going to introduce the controversial points. Some country, some scientists believe GM crops are unnatural. Many countries issue some bans and restrictions to limit the development of GM technology. Mm, but maybe these bans and restrictions are irrational because it will have a terrible harm to the poor in the world. Next, I'm going to introduce the good points. First, GM crops are safe enough. Um, Next, GM crops can increase field by about 22% and increase farmer profits by 68%. Uh, and GM crops can reduce pesticides by 37%. Finally, the GM crops also have many nutrition benefits. For example, lack of vitamin A is the biggest problem to the children, and GM crops named good rice can provide enough vitamin A. It can avoid death and blind for children in poor countries. In conclusion, GM crops are safe enough, and there are two simple solutions. If you believe GM crops, you can buy a GMO for short price. And if you don't believe it's safe, you could pay more money for organic plants. That's all. Thank you.